Hi guys. So today I'll be making overnight oats jar. So you can do lots of variation with it. You can either make a one with chocolate powder, one with custard powder, one you let it remain simple, put some jam, put some berries and put some chocolates on top, put some nuts, put some dried cranberries which tastes so good. So I'll begin with making the oats. Let me show you the ingredients. So this is half a cup of oats, Quakers. This is custard powder, sugar. You can again substitute it with honey. And this is almond powder with a little bit of cinnamon, chopped mangoes, dried blueberries, blackberries, and this is the cocoa powder, and again some chocolates. So I've heated a pan here. Let me put few drops of olive oil to it. Put the oats to roast. So the roasting takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes. So which is not a big deal as it's an wholesome food. जो कच्चा कच्चा टेस्ट होता है ओट्स में वो ऑलिव ऑयल में भूनने से चला जाएगा. So this is originally such a good oats recipe. You love to make it again and again. So it doesn't change its color. Now what I'll do is I'll put a teaspoon of custard powder to 1.5 cups of milk. Add it gradually to the oats. I need some more milk. So there goes half cup milk more. At this point of time, it's wholly up to you. What do you want to add? To this, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of ground sugar. But this is very personal how sweet you want. You want to cook it with sugar free because it tastes good with anything, cocoa powder, chocolate powder. Katora. So let it get thick. It's a recipe you make in altogether 5 minutes, but oats need some time to get cool, and then I'll put it in the jar to chill overnight. So oats are ready. I'll pour it into a container, and later on I'll add 1 teaspoon of almond powder to it. You can put this while cooking or later on, it doesn't matter. So we'll let it cool in a while. Now I'll make another variety, that is with cocoa powder. So this is the chocolate overnight oats, which is very similar. Put a few drops of olive oil to a pan. Again, put half a cup of oats to it. I'll take a cup of milk. Put a teaspoon of cocoa powder to it. So it has roasted well. I will add 1 cup of milk with some cocoa powder. I'll again put a teaspoon of sugar. Again cook it in the same process. Put almond powder in it. So the custard powder soaks a little more of milk, which the cocoa powder would not. So here I am adding only 1 cup of milk. See how beautifully it has thickened. Again it goes 10 minutes into cooling. The jars. I'll fill first jar. The oats are quite cool now. Now I'll start assembling it. So first of all, I'll put some chopped mangoes to it. Lots of it as mangoes are in season. Some honey. Some dried cranberries and blueberries. Now comes the assembling part. for this cocoa jar. It has cooled enough and it's looking so chocolatey and so yummy. Believe me, you'd like to make it again and again for your children. Today I don't have any bananas, otherwise, I will fill it up with bananas, lots of blueberries, lots of chocolate shaving, lots and lots of chocolate balls go into it. I'll pour some honey. So look at these two overnight jars. I will keep them in the fridge to chill overnight to have it in the morning. So bye bye for now. Hope you make it, like it, comment it, get back to me. Thank you.